Viewer discretion advised.
Welcome, my ladies, to the Hotel of Monstrosities. I see that you are most excited for your first evening.
Indeed, Your Majesty. The three of us can definitely prove to be the kind of ghost hosting material of this establishment.
Oh, how delightful. Now, when your guests arrive, be sure to make them feel extra welcome. And also, please show them to the rooms. And also, to avoid exhaustion, I've also incorporated some new machinery to help you do just that. Now, as you can see, the levers can help carry yourselves from one room to another, upstairs and downstairs. Also, in case of emergencies, if at any time our customers and guests want to file formal complaints, you know what to do. Got it?
Absolutely. We can definitely have that covered for you.
Oh, that's brilliant. Now, good luck, if you dare.
Oh, don't worry, boss. We will.
Hey, you lazy slowpokes! Come on in! The castle is just fine!
Oh boy. Beware, ladies. We've got ourselves a full house tonight.
I asked for some hot water for this shower, and you better do something about it, or I'll have to ask for a refund. Alright, pal, where's our dinner? You do realize that me and my wife cannot just stick around for hours, you know?
I can't sleep, man. I need something to cure my insomnia. Just get on with it before I have to ask for a refund.
Hey, ladies. What seems to be the problem? What's with all the glum faces? I hear tell that you were doing so well with your new jobs.
Oh, Maggie, guys, I'm so glad you're here. Just listen to this. We've been getting so many complaints, we have no idea what we're going to do.
You know, you could use those controls to help carry yourselves up from room to room. Personally, that would make things much easier. Not only that, but if you're looking for some assistance, perhaps the three of us could lend you a helping claw.
our dinner?
Service! Service!
This place is too noisy, you hear? It's too noisy.
Come on, come on! What's the matter? This is humiliating.
I can't sleep. I can't sleep. Do something about this.
So, how were the services, ladies? Were our customers satisfied?
Absolutely, boss. With the help of our best ghoul friends, there will be nothing, and I mean nothing, to slow down production now.
Ooh, that's good. Keep up the good work, ladies.